Hey guys! Are you looking best outdoor security camera system? In this video, I will show you top 5 best outdoor security camera system with night vision to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. SANNCE 4CH CCTV Security System. Brand name, SANNCE. 1080p live viewing, recording, and playback. Easy POE installation, real plug and play system. Advanced H.264 video compression. Customized motion detection and instant alerts. 1080p high definition HDMI and VGA output, deliver crystal clear and smooth images. Easy remote access on mobile devices. True day and night continuous protection. Up to 100 feet night vision with smart ear LEDs. IP66 weatherproof indoor and outdoor cameras. H.265 compression, enhance transmission speed and save storage space. Number 4. Anran Odd CCTV System. Brand name, Anran. 1080p high definition. The application of odd 1080p technology makes a higher resolution which improve the image of the replay more delicate. Easy connection, newly designed. The NVR integrates the power module and powers the camera directly through the BNC cable. Smart ear cut night vision, equipped with 36 ear LEDs. The camera provides clear 120 feet 40 meters, night vision with uniform luminance, low power consumption and longer service life. Motion detection and email alarm. When movement is detected in monitoring area, instant email will be sent to your mailbox automatically. Get everything informed even you're away from home. It effectively economized your time in playing back the video. Incident video clips can be found and marked in no time with smart playback function. Remote viewing, anywhere, anytime with the free app. You can remote view or via smartphones, tablets, notebook or PC. Anytime, anywhere. All-weather design camera, IP66 professional security surveillance camera for outdoor-indoor use. Number 3. Zoohi Odd Outdoor CCTV Camera System. Brand name, Zoohi. 1080p Odd Outdoor CCTV Camera System. Enjoy stunning picture and video. This is an easy-to-install 1080p high-definition video surveillance system which are ideal for home and business security. Smart ear cut night vision, equipped with 24 ear LEDs. The camera provides clear 100 feet 30 meters, night vision with uniform luminance, low power consumption and longer service life. Motion detection and email alert, can set multi-zone for motion detection. We introduced intelligent motion detection technology, and build the most reliable security system for your home business. Alarm message will be sent to you once it happens. Remote access anytime anywhere. Support iOS, Android, Windows PC. With the free app Denali. Waterproof home video surveillance system. Number 2. Hiseeu 8CH Wireless CCTV System. Brand name, Hiseeu. HD 1536p resolution. Audio record sound IP camera, built-in and integrated microphone lets you hear the sound around the camera. Records what people say, make it authentic with sound video recording. Humanoid detection, if humanoid movement detected, the system will push alarm to phone. Expandable security camera system, 8-channel NVR design, support to connect up to 8 pieces cameras. You can buy Hiseeu IP cameras to expand your CCTV system. Wireless Wi-Fi LAN cable connection between NVR and IP cameras. Metal shell housing waterproof IP camera can be used for indoor-outdoor. Plug and play, remotely view by Android and iOS system, smartphone, pad, tablet, PC. Ear cut array LED lights, up to 30 meters night vision distance. Motion detection, instant email alert. Recording all the day in 24 hours. The hard disk is necessary for video record, thanks to the H.265 plus high-efficiency video coding technology. The 1TB hard disk enables to continuous record about 30 days video footage for 4 cameras. NVR upgrades to H.265 plus encode, save your HDD storage space. Auto pairing, wireless connections between the cameras and NVR, free from complex cables. IP66 weatherproof outdoor IP camera. Super easy installation and configurations. Real plug and play. Number 1. G.Craftsman 4CH 5 megapixel POE Kit. Brand name, G.Craftsman. Outdoor and indoor IP camera has a metal body and housing, with an IP66 waterproof rating. So you can feel free to install it outdoor, like in your garage, backyard, or anywhere else. It can stand harsh weather conditions, including rain, snow, intense cold and heat. 5 megapixel Super HD resolution. Plug-and-play POE system. Only a single Ethernet cable is needed to transmit video signal and power the camera simultaneously. Thus you don't or squat need to use a separate power adapter to plug each camera into the nearby power supply. Safe, stable and reliable power transmission is always guaranteed. Smart IR cut for night vision. The Smart IR cut filter switches automatically between day and night to reduce color cast in daytime and enhance image brightness at night. It makes sure that you can get vivid surveillance footage from dawn to dark. Motion detection. This system detects moving objects and trigger alerts when dangers occur. It will inform you in real time when invasion happens. Remote viewing. Anytime, anywhere, no matter where you are, you can remotely access the security camera to see live streaming and stay connected. 24/7 continuous recording. Security protection design.